Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Martin here, and I've got a great special offer for you here today. I wanted to show you all the features in our new product. It's called Slide Opt-in, and it's a really innovative and engaging way for you to engage with your customers and get more opt-ins and make the best use of the space on screen. So you would have seen it happening when you just hit this page, but I'm going to click the arrow here on the site so you can see Slide Opt-in as it works. We see here the content slides out and it loads up the opt-in form. People just enter their details here, click to opt in. It's all automatically integrated with your autoresponder, and then you've complete custom content here. So it's pretty cool. You can see the way it moves the entire page to the side, so it makes the best use of your space. You can set this to happen on page load, or you can set it to be timed after a certain amount of seconds, or you can set it only to work when people click on the option here. I'm going to show you all the different options now and how much you can edit this and configure it, and then I'm going to show you some other demo versions as well and just talk about the offer we have for you, which is going to run up until February 11th. So on this page you see the very attractive and smooth admin area for Slide Opt-in. So you've got the dashboard here of all the different Slide Opt-ins you've made. You can add unlimited ones, and I'm just going to show you one I've set up already. You'll notice an option here called Global Opt-in. You can choose, that means it's a drop down list here, and you can select any of the Slide Opt-ins you've created, and that means it's going to appear on every single page on your site. So it's an easy way to make the opt-in appear throughout your entire website. So I'm just going to show you all the different features and how it works, and so you can see the power of this particular WordPress plugin. So here we are now in the admin area for the test one I made. You can see the menu here. We've got the dashboard, leads, your opt-in copy, the success copy, the design settings, and your autoresponder settings. So on the dashboard for this particular listing, you can see it's got two stats. It shows you how many times your opt-in has been viewed and how many people have opted in. So you can work out what's effective and what isn't there. Down at the bottom you have a little button here saying embed code, which gives you all the source code you need if you want to include this on a normal website and not just a WordPress one. If you want to install it just in WordPress, we have an option on Pages, so you can easily include the Slide Opt-in on your pages, and I'll show you that in a second. So we're going to go through all the features here now. If you click on leads, you can see a few test ones. This shows all the leads that go into your system. They're all captured here, as well as the autoresponder, but they also go here, and you can export all this in a CSV. Next one is opt-in copy. So we've got the top bar, title information, so you can put anything you want here. We've got the main opt-in copy, and this can be anything at all you want. It doesn't have to be just text about an opt-in form. This, you could put graphics here, you could put a video here. You've got the full control of the WordPress editor, and you can put HTML or visual, so really is massively flexible. Then we've got the word that comes before the name field, the word before the email field, text for your button, and then a final comment about spam or whatever you want to put in there. You just click save. Then the next part is the success copy. So once someone opts in, if that's what you're using it for, this is what they see after success. So for example, you could give a free download and say opt in to get XYZ, and then on this page you could give the download link. And again, this can be an email, it can be an image, it can be whatever you want, so you've got maximum flexibility. The next section then is the design settings. So we've got a lot of different design options here. You can use all these different colors: black, green, blue, red, soft blue, soft green, or a custom URL if you want to use your own image. You can set a custom background URL, you can set a custom top bar color, custom button color, and then you can set the opt-in form style, so you can have it to show your name and email, show only the email, or you can make it hide the form completely. And I'm going to show how that works in a while, because this means you can use it for promotions or as a kind of a tool for sales pages. So it's a very useful and very flexible option we have here. Then you've got the tab reveal style as well, which I'll show in a moment. The last part then is the autoresponder settings. The first option here at the top of that is a reveal timer. If you set it to 0, that means as soon as someone goes to the page, the slide opt-in will just appear automatically. If you set it to a time, that'll be the time in milliseconds before the slide opt-in appears. So you could set it to delayed content, and if you just leave it blank, that means they have to click the little tab icon, which is here, as so. You have to click that before anything appears. So we've got the autoresponder form HTML code, and this is super simple. As all you do is, I'll take Aweber as an example. Go to Aweber, make your form, copy the entire HTML. I'm just going to delete this just so you can see it working. So you get all your HTML code, and watch these fields down here. Watch how simple this is. You just take the whole mess that Aweber gives you, paste it in here. It automatically adds all the relevant content to the fields and matches everything up. It takes all the hassle out of autoresponder setup, and this works for pretty much any of the main autoresponders that you have. So you would go ahead and save that, and I can show you now where this particular demo is. I just put it on a test page I had for an old promotion I ran, and you see a little option here on the side saying add slide opt-in. All the slide opt-ins you've made appear here in a drop down list. You just click this, and if you can set it to none or one of the test ones you made, and then you can see the page. So you can see this one, as soon as the page loaded, it just slid in, and there I chose a green header and a blue background, a red button, and all that sort of stuff, and it stays constantly on the page as you slide through the content. So it really is a very prominent and useful plugin for getting more opt-ins. But I also want to show you some of the promotional aspects for this particular app, because you can use it for other tasks as well, not just for getting opt-ins. We built it this way on purpose with extra flexibility. So here we are on just a demo site I have, so we're going to click the tab icon here, and you see we've got a custom kind of call to action, then we've got an image and a button here about some special time limited offer. So you really can use slide opt-in for advertising as well as increasing your email list. So there you have it. Lots of options, lots of flexibility. I haven't really seen an app like this before, and we're making it available now at the special offer price until February 11th. After that, it's going to be going on general sale. It's going to cost a lot more. So if you want to get a bargain, if you want to get something that's going to increase your list or give you another avenue for running promotions, then pick this up today and you won't be disappointed. Thanks.